Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best pools and hot tubs is probably one of the most sought-after additions for any homeowner looking to elevate their backyard oasis, offering a perfect blend of relaxation, recreation, and a touch of luxury that transforms ordinary spaces into personal retreats for family and friends to gather and create lasting memories. Whether you envision a serene escape for unwinding after a long day or a vibrant hub for summer fun, the right pool or hot tub can significantly enhance your lifestyle and property value, making it a worthwhile investment for years of enjoyment. Number 5. U.S. Pool Supply Professional Spa and Pool Hand Skimmer. Keep your spa, hot tub, or pool pristine with this essential cleaning tool. It's perfect for daily use, quickly removing leaves, bugs, and other debris. This skimmer features a durable, ultrafine mesh net that's both sturdy and lightweight. The detachable aluminum pole makes maneuvering easy and comfortable. Its large volume mesh basket effectively captures even the smallest debris. The netting holds everything securely as you glide it through the water. Designed with a durable plastic frame, it's safe for all pool types, including vinyl liners. You can clean with confidence without worrying about damage. Trust in a brand committed to your satisfaction. We ensure a hassle-free experience, so you can enjoy your clean pool with peace of mind. What we like? This skimmer is perfect for those who need to tackle the smallest debris. Its ultrafine mesh ensures that even tiny particles like bugs and fine leaves are captured. If you have a smaller pool, spa, or hot tub and want a thorough clean, this is an excellent choice for maintaining pristine water. What people say. The pool cover is easy to put on and take off, and it keeps the pool clean. The pump is powerful and keeps the water circulating well. The ladder is sturdy and safe for kids to use. Number 4. U.S. Pool Supply Large Floating Chlorine Dispenser with Thermometer. Keep your pool sparkling clean with this large floating dispenser. It's designed for easy use, ensuring your water is always inviting. Monitor your water temperature with the integrated thermometer, ranging from 20 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures optimal conditions for your pool or spa. This heavy-duty floater holds up to 3 pounds of chlorine or bromine tablets. The secure locking cap keeps everything safely inside. Easily control the release of chemicals with the adjustable ring. This ensures balanced sanitation for consistent water quality. Perfect for maintaining clarity and hygiene in your pool, spa, or hot tub. Enjoy a clean and odor-free experience every time. Purchase with confidence from a brand committed to your satisfaction. We ensure a hassle-free experience for all your pool maintenance needs. What we like? For effortless pool maintenance and temperature monitoring, this dispenser is a game-changer. It not only keeps your water perfectly chlorinated with adjustable release but also tells you the temperature. If you're looking for a convenient 2-in-1 solution to keep your pool or spa clean and at the right temperature, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great pool for the price and it was easy to set up. The pool is very sturdy and the liner is thick. It has held up well over the summer. My kids love this pool. It's big enough for all of them to play in and it's not too deep. Number 3. U.S. Pool Supply Floating Buoy Pool Thermometer. Introducing a floating pool thermometer designed for clarity. Its jumbo display makes checking your water temperature effortless, showing readings in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. This thermometer provides precise measurements, ensuring your water is always at the perfect temperature. It can accurately read temperatures up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Whether it's your swimming pool, spa, hot tub, or even a pond, this versatile tool is ideal for monitoring water temperature. It can float or be submerged as needed. Featuring a teal blue design, this thermometer is not only visually appealing but also practical. It includes a tether string to keep it conveniently in place. From U.S. Pool Supply, this thermometer is part of our commitment to professional-grade, affordable pool care solutions. Maintain your pool with confidence and ease. What we like? If you prioritize clear and easy-to-read temperature readings, this thermometer is your best bet. Its oversized display makes checking the water temperature a breeze, even from a distance. For anyone who likes to keep a close eye on their pool or spa's temperature without any hassle, this floating thermometer is ideal. What people say. The pump is powerful and keeps the water clean. Easy to set up and use, even for beginners. Durable construction, has lasted for several seasons. Number 2. U.S. Pool Supply Spa and Pool Hand Leaf Skimmer Net. Keep your spa, hot tub, or pool pristine with this essential cleaning tool. It's designed for quick and easy removal of leaves and debris, making daily maintenance a breeze. This skimmer features a durable, fine mesh net and a detachable aluminum pole for a total reach of 26 inches. Its lightweight construction and slight flex allow for easy maneuvering around your pool. The fine mesh netting is perfect for collecting small particles and leaves. It effectively traps debris, ensuring your water stays clear as you glide it through the pool. Constructed with a safe, durable plastic frame, this tool is suitable for all pool types, including in-ground and above-ground pools, as well as spas and hot tubs. It won't damage pool liners. Purchase with confidence knowing it's backed by a brand committed to your satisfaction. We aim to provide a hassle-free experience every time you choose our products. What we like. This skimmer is designed for efficient and quick cleanups of larger areas. With its wider mesh and longer handle, it's great for scooping up more leaves and debris in less time. If you have a larger pool or need to clear out fallen leaves frequently, this tool will make the job much easier and faster. What people say. The pump is powerful and keeps the water clean. Easy to set up and use, even for beginners. Durable construction, has lasted for several seasons. Number 1. U.S. Pool Supply Pool and Spa Test Kit Refill Solutions. Maintain the perfect balance in your pool or spa with our essential test kit refill solutions. These are the standard solutions you need for accurate water testing. This 1 2-ounce dropper bottle contains OTO solution, specifically designed for testing chlorine levels. It's a crucial component for ensuring safe swimming conditions. Our phenol red pH test solution, also in a 1 2-ounce dropper bottle, helps you accurately measure and maintain the correct pH balance in your water. These 2 standard solutions are vital for monitoring and keeping your swimming pool or spa's chemical levels, including chlorine, bromine, and pH, within the optimal range. Using them is simple, just mix a few drops with your pool water in a test tube. This allows for quick and easy checks of your water's chemical readings. What we like. This product is essential for anyone who already owns a pool or spa test kit and needs to replenish their supplies. It provides the necessary solutions to accurately measure your water's pH and chlorine levels. If you're committed to maintaining optimal water chemistry and want to ensure your existing test kit remains effective, these refills are a must-have. What people say. The pump is very quiet and efficient, keeping the pool clean without being a nuisance. Easy to set up and operate, even for a beginner. The instructions were clear and concise. The filter system is robust and effectively removes debris, maintaining water clarity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.